if you can observe clearly, so there is a dedicated GCS DAGs folder has been created for us. Right side. Yeah, DAGs folder. Yeah, this is called DAGs folder. If you can click on that, a GCS bucket will open for you. Okay, so the DAG code, whatever we are writing the DAG code, orchestration. So directed acyclic graph. Yesterday we discussed about orchestration, right? So that orchestration is just nothing but so connecting all the tasks. It's like a proper individual task. So we need to connect all the tasks and we need to tell that properly. So when to execute, how to execute, and what are the task dependency and where we need to connect or something. So from Airflow, we can connect all our GCP related services. Either we can submit a data proc job, either we can submit a BigQuery query, or whatever it is, we can able to run that. Now, I will give you one sample. So let's try it with the sample hello world DAG code. Okay, and keep it here, and we will see the same DAG, how it is going to appear in Airflow DAG, Airflow 2.0 and 3.0. Now, open ChatGPT or something. Gemini ask. No, the first one, manage Airflow. You click on docs. Yeah. What you can ask is like, give me a sample DAG. Give me a sample DAG code. Give me a sample DAG code. DAG code contains sample DAG code. DAG code contains start and end pipeline. Start and end pipeline with an empty operator. With an empty operator. EMPTY, empty operator. With an empty operator. EMPTY, empty. Yeah. Now what you can do is just copy the code and create a new file called myfirstdag.py. Save it as my first dag.py. Yeah, that's it. Save it. No need to give .py. It is already saving the type as in Python only. Remove the dot also. Save it. Now there is a dedicated GCS bucket has been there, right, for each of the composer environment. So now just open that bucket and upload this file to that bucket. Yeah, directly upload. Here only. Directly upload. There is an upload button. Yeah. So this is a dedicated DAGs folder. Whatever the DAG related code, if you upload, it will run here. I think you shifted from Mac to Windows, right, today? Your voice is not audible, sorry.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now do the same for the different environment also. Yeah, this is third environment. Just upload. Same file. Okay, now what you can do is whenever you upload, it will take for 2 to 5 minutes, or depends on the provision. So what we have provision. So I just created only with the standard version. I haven't created with the high version or something. Now go back to the composer. Go back. just what you can do is just keep these two here only. Just open another tab. No, okay. Right click and you can click and duplicate. It will duplicate it. Console. No, console.cloud.google.com. Just search for Composer. Yeah, yeah, it's okay. Fine, fine, no problem, sir. It's okay. You can search inside only. Search for a managed airflow. Now for the sample one, click on airflow. Sample one, click on airflow. Yeah, it will navigate to another tab. So just approve that. There is some authentication. Okay, so here you can able to see your tag. Likewise, open the same for sample two. It will be bit different. Don't be confused. That is a bit different. Airflow 3. Yeah. So this is your airflow. Left side DAGs. Click on DAGs. Left side there is a DAGs. Airflow 3 came very fast. Sample DAG pipeline. It is there. Sample DAG pipeline. So second one. Sample empty pipeline. Click on that. Second one. Yeah. This is the newest version, sorry, mostly. And if you can click on, is there any graph? It is showing something. Graph. Overview, run, audit, code, details. No graph. On the top, there is a sample empty pipeline. Top left. Top left. Sample empty pipeline. Yeah. Click on that right side. That is graph. Okay. So this is basically the graph. What it is showing in the modernized. They call it as this as modern, but this is the worst UI. What I see. If you go back to the second screen, the empty. Second airflow screen. Yeah. Refresh it. This is very clean interface. Refresh the whole page. This is a straightforward, very whole screen. What we can say, Airflow 2 is very good compared to Airflow 3, but they added all the features to Airflow 3 only instead of 2. New features related to DAGs or something. Yeah. Now click on sample empty pipeline. Yeah. This is very simple, understandable, and easily monitorable user interface. What I love it. Okay, so this is, if you can click on graph, right side of the details. Yeah, so this is a simple graph. Okay, so this is the one. So you observe the things, how it's going on Airflow 2 and Airflow 3, and it's up to you which one you can use it. So you can use whatever you want, but the functionality is completely same between the Airflow 2 and Airflow 3 environment. I will explain you simply. So if you can click on code on the just right side of the tag, right side of the graph option, there is a code option is also there on the top. Yeah, code. Yeah, if you see the code, it is very simple Python code. Once you are get habited, you don't need any Scala, you don't need any Python or something. So this is a simple plain Python code that we will call it as DAG code. Okay, so there are some default DAG arguments or something. So line number 6 to 7. So the default arguments, owner, and when the DAG should start, what is the email or something that we can keep it of default arguments. And line number 11 to 18 are the is representing that this is a DAG related code. Like with the DAG, like if you know the CTs, common table expressions in the SQL, like using with or something, right? In the same way in Python, so we have the DAG code written like this. With the DAG off, we have to provide some parameters for the DAG. So DAG ID and default arguments, when the DAG should start, and what is the schedule for the DAG. So either we have to schedule this DAG, when should this DAG to be run. And catch up equal to false is for backfilling the data if anything happens. And tags is to identify all these DAGs should belongs to which group, something like that. As DAG, and you can see line number 21, start equal to, we are using empty operator. Whatever the tasks, small task, all the tasks are related to, are linked with Airflow operators only. So here we are using empty operator. The name itself saying it is an empty only. And the task ID equal to start, it will display that particular start string in the box format while you go for um, graph or something. And the second thing is pipeline. Pipeline is also an empty operator. It was created. Okay, so the task ID they mentioned as pipeline. If you scroll down again, end task, end pipeline, end equal to an empty operator again. And line number 36 is the important thing. So that is called task dependency streamline. So we have to tell from which flow to which direction this particular DAG should execute. Right. So yesterday we have created a flow chart kind of thing, arranging the task in order to execute on a synchronization way, right? So if you see this line number 36 is also flowing after start, go to pipeline, and then after pipeline, go to end, kind of that. So this particular part we can call stream of task, flow of task. Okay. Now what you can do is create one more. Okay. Go back to the code, which is in VS Code or somewhere. Create your own task. Line number 25 to 28, copy that and paste it below that. Line number 25 to 28, copy that particular part. Yeah. And paste it. No, 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 just to 28 only, until 28. Until 28. Yeah. Copy and click enter. No, 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 you vanish that. Do Control Z. Yeah. Now click enter. Again, one more. Yeah. Paste it. Okay, now what you can do is keep it as pipeline underscore sai, task ID pipeline underscore sai. Yeah, do the same for line number 32 also. Pipeline underscore sai equal to line number 32. It is automatically suggesting. See, line number 32. Yeah, pipeline underscore sai. It should be pipeline underscore sai equal to empty operator. Yeah, now you need to keep the pipeline underscore sai to be executed here. Line number 43. Yeah. Now, oh, what you can, yeah, perfect. Keep some space after Sai. Keep some space to look good. Good. Yeah. Save it and re-upload. Re-upload to Airflow 2 only. You will feel the difference. What it is now. Yeah. So which one you like this mostly? 3 or 2? 3 is looks like AWS also the same mostly. The only disappointment with the DAG is, so you uploaded the updated DAG, right? So it will take some time to reflect it. That's the problem here. It will take some time to reflect. Left side there is DAGs. Left side there is a DAGs. Yeah. Click on sample empty pipeline. Click on sample empty pipeline. See whether you have added a new task has been, yeah, pipeline size got updated, right? So now you can trigger it on the top right, trigger option, top right. Yeah, trigger it. Yeah, trigger completely. You will see the data is being triggered. See, all those has been executed in a simple, very fastly, lightning fast. It got executed. That's what they are updating a lot of things on Airflow 3, except the UI. All the backend will work very good for the Airflow 3.0. This is the one. Like say, if you want to execute pipeline SAI and pipeline both together, there is one way. So go back to our code. Go back to our code. Go back to our code. Okay, just after start, open a square bracket. After start, last line. After start, after two greater than symbols, after two greater than symbols, open square bracket. Yeah, and remove that. No, don't close that bracket. Okay, remove that two greater than symbols after pipeline I and keep that comma. Close that bracket after pipeline. After pipeline. Yeah, perfect. Save it and re-upload. Now this bracket, whatever it is we are creating, it is show execute this pipeline and pipelines IE together instead of depending on one by one or something like that. Mhm. Can you open that? Go inside that tag. Sample empty pipeline. Go inside that. There is a web option here. Uh, uh, cool. I think we this 3 is also good, but we need to be get familiar. That's it. If we can change this to light mode, it will be good. Or click on that hamburger. Yeah, click on that one. 3 dots. This is called hamburger. Reparse DAG. Reparse DAG. That means it will reparse the DAG again, and it will refresh the code behind the DAG. Now refresh the page. Have you uploaded in the same DAG folder?
I have uploaded
Both. Oh, okay, then it's fine. Check here. Refresh it. No. On the refresh the whole page. I told you, right? Yeah, this got implemented. This got executed. See, pipeline and pipeline got both are in a parallel way. You can trigger it on the top right. On the top right, there is a play button. There is a play button. Still, you need to scroll up. Play button. Yeah, this is trigger DAG. This will help us in triggering the DAG, and it should go fastly only. sometimes it will fail automatically, that we will call it as transient issues. Transient issues are common, but it will fail only in once in a thousand time, once in a hundredth time or something, due to some technical internal errors. That there is no solution for the transient issue until the Airflow team has been improved the configuration or something. Okay, now see in the Airflow 3, see in the Airflow 3, I want to see how the interface has been changed here. Yeah, here also it got changed, right? Okay, now trigger it. Trigger. It is very fast here. Compared to Airflow 2, it is very fast here, right? There is a refresh option just below the running button. Just below the running button. Running button. Right side. Right side running button. Success button. Yeah. Oh, this is a clear task button. Okay, don't do that. Don't do that. It is a clear task. It's okay. Now this is one way. Now we'll try to. We have the data proc has been created, right? Now what we can do is open a GCS bucket separately. Open no in a new tab. Okay. Now where is where is the no, just keep it like this only, Sahi. So don't open a new tab. Open new tab. Now what how you can open a new tab is just on the top, right click, right go to this bucket part. Go to the bucket tab. On the top, just right click on the top only. Tab button. On the tab, just above, just move above on the website. Just above that website. Yeah, right click, duplicate, right click, duplicate. After reload, duplicate is there. Yeah. Now go to buckets, left side buckets only. It is there only here. No need to go anywhere. Left side only it is. Okay, here we created our own bucket, right? PySpark practice. Yeah. Where it is? First PySpark.py. Copy that file. First PySpark. In the three dots, copy the GS util URI. Copy. Yeah. Now go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT. Yeah. Paste it. Paste this. And do shift enter. Shift enter. I want to submit a PySpark job for my PySpark code from my Airflow. I want to submit a data proc job. I want to submit a data proc job for this PySpark code from my Airflow DAG. Below are the details of my data proc cluster. DAG from my Airflow DAG, and below are the details. Below are the details of my data proc cluster. Yo, you haven't provided the data proc cluster details, Sai. It's okay. It's okay. No problem. No problem. Let it be. So we can edit later also. No problem. Now duplicate the tab again and open data proc. Okay, just copy this code. No problem. Nothing to worry about it. Just copy this code. Copy this code. Open new file in the editor. New Python file. Yeah, paste it. Now go to the top. Go to the top. Yeah, cluster name. All this you need to update. That's it. Project ID and cluster name. That's it. Now open GCP console. You can find all those things there. Duplicate the tab. Duplicate the tab. Right click. Duplicate. Now open managed Apache Spark. No. No. It was not completed. Just type managed only. It will show the suggestion. The first one. left side clusters, copy the cluster name. Wait, my first cluster, just copy that. You can select that my first cluster, you can select that and copy the name. Copy the name. Yeah. Using that one only. Control C and go back to our code and where it is. Cluster name, line number 14. Yeah. No, it is same again. Double quotes, paste it. Double quotes, paste it. Oh, I think you haven't copied that name properly. It's just my and my slash first cluster. Hmm. Double quotes. It should be in double quotes. Yeah. Now go back to GCP console. Copy the project ID on the top left. Top left, click on that my first project. No, not this. On the top left, click on my first project. Top left, my first project. Click on that. ID is there. Right side. Yeah. Copy that ID. Hmm. Yes. In double quotes. Yeah. And see again, it is asking on line number 35, cluster name. Size, I think we have misplaced that. Once again, once again, once again. Line number 35, there is a cluster name. Just paste our cluster name, line number 35. Yeah, why it is multiple times? Project ID. No, no, no. Just copy directly, normally. Yeah, copy button. Just do the copy button. Yeah, now paste it. Now go to the line number. Not here, not here, not here, not here. Sai. Do Control Z. Do Control Z again. Yeah. Now line number 8789. Go to line number 789. Yeah. Change here. Update your cluster name in line number 9. Update your cluster name. Yeah. Just click tab. It will rename. Just click tab. Oh no, no. It is suggesting, right? Yeah. Click tab button. Yeah. Now project ID also. Click tab. Not this. I think Windows V. You can click on Windows V. Windows V. It will open the clipboard. Windows V. Region. So go back to data proc. It is showing here region. Go back. Just click on back button on the top. Cluster details. It will show on here where it is. The region is US Central 1. Copy that. Yeah. Yeah. Save it. Save as my second DAG. Save as my second DAG. Yeah. My second DAG. My underscore second underscore DAG. It should not be the mixing one. Upload to GCS bucket. GCS bucket. Here on directly upload.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
I'm asking that do we need to upload it in the PySpark practice size
No, no,
level?
no, 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 no. We need to upload in DAGs. Here only
Yeah,
DAGs. So this
yeah,
is a
I was
DAG.
up.
Yeah,
Yeah, I was uploading here itself. What you
yeah,
said.
DAG only. So it is a DAG code, right? So we need to add in DAG only. It will come. So how can you see that name? Go back to our code in cursor. Search for ID. DAG underscore ID. Line number 22 it is. Line number 22. In line number 22, our DAG will be named as dataproc underscore PySpark underscore job. Okay, you need to search with that. Okay, go back on the click on DAGs. Yeah, you need to search with that. And if you've done this, I will show you my real-time DAG experience, how in my industry, how I will do that. So I also need to take help from the Gemini or some other thing only. But I should know where error came to maintain and manage. I will show you in my data how I am playing with the DAGs. That's why I haven't done that work so far. Refresh it. This is the only cons we have to see. No, it was not there. Still, check in Airflow 3. Search the DAG. Just below the DAG, search it. Let it be. It will take just 2 to 5 minutes. It's very simple. If you can see line number 32, it is using data proc submit job operator. Line number 32, if you can notice, in the interview, they will ask you, if you want to submit a data proc job, which operator you will use. You should instantly say, I will use the data proc submit job operator. Data proc submit job operator, which will help us in submitting a data proc job, and I will provide the project ID and all the related stuff. Okay, and line number 11. So these are all parameters that we will provide to Databricks submit job operator. Like what is the file URI we need to enter, and what is the cluster name, what is the region, and what is project ID, all those things. Now go back to the Airflow and refresh. Go back to the Airflow and refresh. Refresh the screen. I think it should come for now. What I hope. Refresh this screen also. No, this is auto refresh won't work properly. It is just a dummy button kind of thing. It will only work when we don't need anything. Okay, data prog PySpark job came here. Now trigger it. Oh, it is already triggered, Sai. It is already triggered. No, go next. left to that, yeah, click on that grid. If you can click on a small box left side, submit Spice Park job operator, green job, green color boxes are there, right? Yeah, click on middle small one. Yeah, click on that middle small one. Okay, now you can see all the logs. It is showing right side submitting job, and it is created something. Scroll down and you can see the data. Now you can open data proc. Open the data proc. It's already open. Yeah, click on that left side jobs. Left side jobs. There should be one job. It is still running, I guess. What I hope. Yeah, if you see here, right, scroll to the right side, it will show at what time it got submitted. See, July 16, 43 seconds it ran. Today, both the Airflow 2 and Airflow 3 submitted ran your DAG. Okay, so it got submitted today and it got ran also. If you can click on that, you will see the logs. And even in Airflow only, open that Airflow, you will see the hello world. Open Airflow on the top, Airflow 3 or 2, anything is fine. Yeah, you will see hello world to be printed. Search for hello world, control F, HELLO. Nothing printed here. Go to Airflow 2, Airflow 2, Airflow 2, and open that data proc. Same, click on that small box left side if it is coming. Yeah, click on that middle one, green box. You need to click on that green box. Yeah, click on that. Now click on logs, logs, right side logs. Yeah, if you can scroll down, waiting for that up. Click on that post execution tasks. Click on post execution tasks. Last blue one. Yeah. Info. Scroll to the right. Scroll to the right. Okay. Actually, this is not meant for printing the logs, I guess. It's okay. So why our step is to execute the data proc job, and we have successfully executed that. Likewise, for you, what you can do is, so we have created the ETL task, right, Sai? So this is Hello World PySpark code. You can try to execute the ETL one. If you go on PySpark bucket, PySpark bucket, PySpark bucket, yeah, left side, yeah. Try CSV generator. That is first thing, and later main.py, I guess. Yeah, try to get all these two as a different two tasks. Okay, first one is output. No, not now. Sorry, it will take some time. I will show you one more example that what. So now come to my screen. I think we need to learn a lot. No need to worry. We'll go slow, no problem. I hope my screen is visible. Okay. So what is my use case is, you know, Dropbox. Have you heard about it? Dropbox. Dropbox is a centralized folder kind of thing. Like Dropbox, we have box.com. So box.com, what we can do is we can create some folders, and inside that we can keep some files, and we can share it to everyone. So it's a kind of centralized platform for sharing the files, just like GCS bucket. So this is called box. So this is called box, where one second, I'll show you. My requirement is I have one folder called daily UAB files. Daily UAB files. I want to drop one CSV file to this particular box or this particular folder. Okay, so I have created a lot of platform apps and integrated with a lot of service accounts, create secrets, developer tokens, a lot of things. Just observe my work. My work, what it will do is, I have one BigQuery table. I have one BigQuery table. Oh, one second. Yeah, I have one BigQuery table. In from that BigQuery table, I will take the data as select star from that BigQuery table. Yeah, So this is my BigQuery table mostly. And if you can see user node activity, so this is user node activity, and it contains around 870 rows. So now what I'm doing is I was keeping all this data in the form of CSV. I was keeping all the data, whatever in the table. I was doing select star, turning the data into a data frame and save it into a CSV file, and dropping the file into this particular folder. Now I have achieved using the Cloud Run function. I have achieved completely using Cloud Run function. Now I just want to make this Cloud Run function into a proper DAG code. That's what I was able to doing now. Okay, just observe the work what I'm doing, if I can achieve or not. Using, so nothing to worry about. We have a lot of AI tools running out, so we should not be worried anywhere. Mm, so this is the code what ChatGPT has been given me. It's a Gemini I was using, not the ChatGPT. And where is the config file? So the second advanced part is the config file. Oh, we will keep that config file as YAML, YAML format. I will show you how it will looks like. Config.yaml. I will paste that, and the BigQuery table I'm going to give, and client ID already there, and the client secret. So the client secret I have here. Enterprise ID and folder ID. Folder ID is ending with 20 or something. What I remember, yeah. Folder ID, and I want to keep that as 16 test July 16.csv. Okay, this is config.yaml. Oh, okay. It's folder config.yaml, and I was looking for something what I can do. Yeah, this is my DAG code. The same what you are looking into that part. So I have the Airflow dashboards here. So Airflow, this is one. I was trying to install some package. It is not working. So same, I will go to the DAGs folder. But one small change, what I can do is I will create my own folder. I can create my own folder, box CSV. So I will create my own folder inside DAGs. It should be inside DAGs only, else it won't create the DAG properly. I'm creating one more folder called config. If we need to depend on this small steps on the AI, so it will take some time a lot. Config.yaml. That's it. Box.csv contains box.csv.py, and config folder contains config.yaml. That's what we configured, right? This is a config folder, config.yaml, and BigQuery table ID, select star from the table ID. It will select through all the select as I told, and it will show and save it into the bytes.io using CSV buffer. And later on, using the client ID, secret, and enterprise ID, it will enter to my box, and it will load the file into my box. And it is creating one virtual environment. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. Once it is done, so as like you, what you did so far, I can able to refresh. So I was doing on a development environment. So this is one of the thing, daily UAV user activity. So it will send an email. So I can search it with now. What is my DAG name? DAG ID.
Under the owner default arbitrary.
Is it there?
No.
Yeah, this is DAG ID. It is not came still. I was using Airflow 2. We mostly use in the production also in Airflow 2 only, because of the UI side, mostly because of the UI. If any error came, it will show in this above the composer tab. It will show on a red color banner. It will show there are some errors in one of the DAG code kind of thing. It is not came. So this is the only worst part. Whenever you want to edit something, whenever you want to correct something in the DAG, you need to wait at least 10 minutes. So that will change your mood, that will interrupt your mood mostly. So that's why data engineers especially need some patience. You see, it is not automatically running on my side. Start date I can give 14. 2026. Yeah, if you see here, it got executed, and in the logs I can see all the data has been there, downloading Google CRC and everything. It is showing successfully installed this box, SDK and all other things. Uploaded test to July 16 CSV. Upload completed. Now I can go to this part. This is my box folder, right? Here I want to see the data. What I can do there, where's the refresh button? I can refresh this page. See, test to July was done. Today my work was completed. So this is the work for me today. Okay, so now what I can do is, so once this CSV file has been generated, I have to send an email to my manager. This file has to be generated and kind of thing. And there are a lot of things. The thing is UAB. Likewise, we have 570 customers are there. There will be 570 folders will be there. All I need to expand that. I need to create one more config. So I want to in that config, I can make account name. Account name, it can be UAB. If I give the UAB, it will load UAB data. And if I can give like village MD, so village MD is one of the customer name. So it will load the village MD data. Northwell is one of the customer name. All these are some different customer names actually. Okay, so I have to raise this to a next level kind of thing. Okay, this is one part. So now I told you, right? So I need to send an email also. Okay, in order to send that email, I have already one email code which was written. I can use that same email code to replicate the same. I can give the same Gemini to replicate the same email kind of stuff. Box to daily UAB user report. Yeah. CSV file, user, HTML body. Email, right? So to email, not this one, yeah. Yes. Total. We'll do this. Now, instead of like in order to, I told there is one DAG, so it is taking the data from BigQuery, right? Now, the data coming to this BigQuery is also from a particular view, actually. View, and it is a scheduled query. Now, I want to replace that. I don't want a BigQuery table to be present here. The things are changed. I can go on the fly. Instead of storing all the data here, I can directly store the data on the fly in using .sql. UAV. Where it is, man? RPT. Oh, let's go to certificate certificates. Something went wrong.
So there is no class tomorrow.
I think mostly tomorrow I will be traveling to my hometown, Sai. I'll try to see that later.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I think even Monday I may be traveling to
Monday.
parents.
Okay, okay. Do
Parents.
let me know. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
I
Do
have a train around 7 o'clock.
Monday evening.
Yeah, Monday. Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's okay, Sai. No problem. So we can continue from Tuesday onwards. What you can do
Yeah,
is once you are done with your practice, just delete that clusters. It will ruin our part. It will take $60 each day. Okay. So just try to give a practice today. Okay. Once you are done, just delete the two clusters. It is very easy to create also. All you need is to just half an hour back.
okay. Anyhow, you delete from your end.
Oh,
I will try to create later.
okay then. Then it's cool. Shall
Okay.
I delete now?
Yeah, you
Or
can delete. No,
okay, fine. I'll delete all together then. Okay, the same as I shown you, right? The airflow related part. No matter what's the position, either you are junior data engineer, senior data engineer,